Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. So guys, in this video again I'm talking about Ecash coin, XEC coin, guys. So what's going on? What's the price of Ecash? What will be the next move of Ecash? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, if you are new in my channel or if you don't subscribe, so please guys, please subscribe now our YouTube channel for more update and news videos about Ecash, about XEC coin, guys. Right now price is about 0.000219 USD dollar. That is right now price of Ecash. And furthermore, you can see 1.84% negative changes over in the XEC coin, guys. So these changes is going negative in the market, guys, and don't forget to forward, guys. Now, you know what, guys? I know this time in the latest situation, the price of Ecash coin is in the lows, guys. You can see here completely the price chart going in the lows. But, guys, you know what? I believe, guys, that after falls there is a jump, guys. So that's why, guys, I recommend for all of my viewers that please hold. It's time to hold, guys. You know what? After falls possibilities and 90% possibilities that the price will pump, but it takes time, guys. Maybe after 7 days, maybe after 10 days the price pump, but Ecash have to pump, guys. That's why I'm sure about that, guys. Anyways, guys, let me show you the price statistic update. You can see here 47% trading volume also going in the low decrease, guys. That's mean that people decide to sell. That's why the price dump. But you know what, I believe that very soon, you know what, when the price become more low, so people again start investing in the Ecash and the price will become high. So possibly, guys, be alert in the market and just hold. If you're a holder, if you want to buy, so I recommend for buying, because now the price of Ecash is very low, guys. Anyways, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Please do your own research about Ecash, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like this update video. Don't forget to subscribe channel.